Dual-pen Dental Lab Sandblaster with a foot pedal switch. The chamber gives you a clear view of the work area, with gloves fitted for safe handling during blasting. Before use, connect the power cord and check that the air line is seated properly. Fill the media canister with the selected blasting abrasive before starting the job. The 2-pen nozzles let the operator switch between blasting tasks without changing the whole setup. Close the chamber door, then check the pressure gauge before spraying. Adjust the pressure gradually. Stable air pressure helps keep the blasting stream consistent. Use the foot pedal to control blasting, so both hands can stay inside the work chamber. If the media flow is weak, check the air inlet, the canister, and the red hose connections. The rear panel includes air ports for connecting the external air supply and the blasting lines. Keep the nozzle aimed at the dental part and move smoothly across the surface. After the work is finished, release the pedal and let the dust settle before opening the chamber. For daily maintenance, remove remaining abrasive, clean the filter area, and inspect the hoses. This setup is designed for dental laboratory surface preparation, including brackets and porcelain-related work. Confirm the abrasive type, pressure range, and accessories with the supplier before placing an order.